we want to understand the concept of factorial and highest power divisibility. Because in case of factorial, we can see good number of problem where highest power divisibility type of questions we can see. First of all, factorial. If I write in factorial, a natural number in factorial, that would be nothing but 1 into 2 into 3, and in this way it will continue up to n. That is the concept of factorial. It is a big number. Now, highest power divisibility. Now, after this factorial, if any such factorial I see and I want to find it out, it is divisible by maximum power of a number. In which way we can find it out? That should be our type of question. Example, let it is a question that 12 factorial is divisible by what maximum power of 3? What maximum power of 3? That means 12 factorial, it is divisible by 3 to the power 2 or 3 or 4 or what else? The question, it looks like that 12 factorial. So 12 I will divide by 3 and I will get my result. But it is not. We need to understand the concept that what it happen in case of 12 factorial and whenever I am finding the maximum power of 3. In 12 factorial, if I write to understand the concept, I am elaborating that 12 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. I am writing all. And out of that, you can find that this 3, it is contributing first number. Same thing, if you continue, then 6, it should be again next number. Now, let me go on doing it. There would be 9, there would be 12. So these are the values which will contribute. These are the values which will finally contribute for the factorial. And whenever I am multiplying up to 12, these are the values which is written here and marked. They are actually divisible by 3. How many 3 present? Number of 3. In this case 1, in this case 1, in this case 2, and here it is 1. So whenever I need to add, it would be 1 plus 1 plus 1, then 2. So it should be total, it is coming as 5. Now these are 2 layer. One layer divisible by 3 once and another 9 which is divisible by 3 square. In this way. In shortcut, what should I do? Shortcut technique. What should I do? The 12 I will divide by 3. First layer I will get, and that is nothing but 4. 4 such number. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 such number. Again, if this number is more than or equal to the divisor, I will go on dividing once again. I will get one more, and that one more is due to that 9. Means if I am writing instead of this value, if I am writing 2 layer, first layer all of them 1 1 1 1, it is actually number of 3, 3 to the power 1 divisible by, and 3 to the power 2 divisible by, again another 1. So basically I can write it down 2 distinct layer. One layer it is divisible by 3 to the power 1. Second layer it is divisible by 3 to the power 2. In this way, 2 layers if it is written, I will get total value is 5. Sometimes layers will be much higher, and that we need to understand to get the maximum power divisibility concept. It is a smaller number, 12 factorial written. If it is some larger number, how we need to proceed, that we need to know. Let's check the next example. Now we are going to our second example. with a small variation. 49 factorial, I have just increased higher. 49 factorial is divisible by what? Maximum power of 27. It is not also the prime number, 27. What is 27? 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So 49 factorial divisible by which maximum power of 3 cube, that I need to know. So our process, as far the process we have learned, what should I do? I will do 39, go on dividing by 3 to get the maximum power of 3 by which 39 factorial divisible. So for that I will go on dividing by 3. 16 by 3 by 3 1. I can see in this case actually extra remain, but extra is not important here. They are not contributing. So basically I need to go on finding only integral values, and I need to go on adding by this way. So 16 first layer, 5 second layer, 1 is the third layer. If I go on adding, I can find maximum power of 3. It should be 16 plus 5 plus 1, 22. So from here, what we can say? I can say that 49 factorial is divisible by 3 to the power 22. But what is the question? It is divisible by which maximum power of 27, not 3. And 27 is 3 cube. So I need to find it out 3 cube. So what do we need to do? 22 I need to divide by 3, and I know it is 7. So I can say it is divisible by 3 cube whole to the power 7, because 21 though it is available. So it is divisible by which maximum power of 27? Answer is 7. Answer would be 7. So by this way, we need to solve these kinds of maximum power problem. But here 27 is a single number. If I write some other number which is a combination of 2 or more, then also we need to check that um, which one is present lesser number of time. That would be responsible for maximum power divisibility. We can find in the problem of N0 kinds of concepts as well.